how not to make a new beat. Don't click that button. You're definitely not going to want to click these buttons. Find some random notes. See how it sounds. Mix it up a little bit. Change it a little bit. Now we're gonna add some weirdness to it. Something a little like this. You know, there's, yeah. Add a little bit more so we can play with it. Change up some of the tune. And now we vibe. Yeah. Like that. We'll add some bass, because why not? Ruin the whole song. And that's how you not properly make a beat. This is just noise. Nothing more, nothing less.